This is a purple sprouting broccoli, and I cut it once in the winter, I think around February or March, and now it has given 2 heads now. Instead of 1 head, it has 2 heads. I'm going to harvest it because they're gradually opening, so that's the time for harvesting. Okay, I've now harvested the 2 heads, and I'm going to take it for dinner. The purple sprouting broccoli is ready to harvest, so we are harvesting it now. It's beautiful, yummy. I could have done it a little bit earlier, but I had that other one. Yummy. If I don't take it, they will go to flower. So I'm doing it now, so this continues to bring shoots more, and we'll have another crop hopefully. Beautiful. I have another plant here that I want to harvest it. This is just here. This one. I will try to take it as a whole. Beautiful cut. Goes for soup. Smell divine. Oh God, they're so nicely smelling. I wish you could smell that. It's pity YouTube don't have any smelling thing. Yeah, we have also some there, but should I take it now? Maybe for next week. That's it. That's for now. This is our harvest for today. That's it. Thank you. Purple sprouting broccoli. It's a little bit big now, but anyway, that's the time to harvest it. I will harvest it now. This is the knife I will be using. I must say it's so juicy when I'm trying to cut it. It's one of the juiciest plants. Okay, now I've harvested it. It's plenty. I will eat it fresh. I don't like to cook it. I have several heads here also. I will cut them. Another smaller head here. And this is what I will take home today with that one which fell. As you see, this is more fresh. That's more wilted somehow, but anyway, it's yet fresh, so you will enjoy this. You can cook it, you can use it in soup. I like to have it fresh. The crunchiness, the juiciness is really nice. And I will come back later to these ones. And I must say that this is during the Hungry Gap. I don't know why they call it Hungry Gap, but I suppose if you don't think in advance, don't do things that you have to do, that is the time from here, May, June also, that you'll be hungry.